Is your Nissan X-Trail alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from a few key culprits. First, faulty door or hood switches. These switches signal when a door or the hood is opened, and if they're corroded or malfunctioning, they can trigger false alarms. Second, the interior motion sensor can be overly sensitive, misfiring due to dust, pet hair, or electrical glitches. Start by visually inspecting the door and hood switches for any signs of damage or corrosion. Also, ensure your car's interior is clean to minimize false triggers from the motion sensor. An OBD2 scanner can help diagnose specific sensor faults, displaying codes like B10A1. Once you've identified the likely cause, try resetting the alarm system. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and then rapidly lock and unlock the doors 10 times within 40 seconds, followed by turning the ignition back on. If a faulty switch is the problem, cleaning it with WD-40 or replacing it might solve the issue. For the interior sensor, try cleaning it carefully. For problems with newer models from 2018 onwards, check for available software updates from Nissan, as these often include sensor recalibrations. Remember, tampering with the alarm module can void your warranty, so if you're unsure, it's best to consult a professional mechanic.